Fundraising is teamwork, and several people work each record. I am signed in as Grace, a fundraising officer. Watch the top right, this is Grace Bello. She logs a task and hands it to a colleague. The follow-ups board is the fundraising to-do list. I add a task to send the Dangote grant documents, and I assign it to my colleague Tond, due tomorrow. Every field is filled, so Grace saves it. It lands on the board as a pending task, assigned to Tond with tomorrow's due date, linked to the Dangote Foundation. A day before a task is due, ZetaFisc reminds the person it is assigned to. That sweep has just run. Now Tond signs in. This is now Tond's account, see the name change at the top right. He opens his notifications. And there it is, a reminder, follow-up due soon, for the exact task Grace assigned him, delivered to the right person automatically. The same reminder is also pushed to his phone. No one had to chase him. Tond opens the same board. Notice he can see and work the task even though Grace created it. He has done the work, so he marks it done. Now the most important part for a team, every follow-up has its own detail page. I switch to all and open the task from the I button. The whole task on one page, the donor, who it is assigned to, the action required, the due date and the status, now marked done. And at the foot of the page, the complete activity history. Two different people on one record, Grace Bello created and assigned the task, and Tond Alobi completed it, each change shown as the old value against the new value, with a name, an avatar and a timestamp. That is exactly how a real fundraising team works, and every step is captured.